In this video, I will show you how to remove background on PhotoRoom. To remove a background using PhotoRoom, just open the app and tap Start from Photo. Then go ahead and choose a photo from your camera roll. Once you pick one, PhotoRoom will automatically scan it. And just like that, the background gets removed for you. You will see the edited version right away. From here, you can go straight to export at the top right. Then tap Done to save it to your device. Quick and easy, and your photo's ready to use with no background. That's how to remove background on PhotoRoom.